Have you ever felt utterly peaceful, only to exit a conversation or leave a room and suddenly sense fatigue, heaviness, or inner restlessness? It's as if your soul's light has dimmed, your inner sanctuary breached, and you ask yourself, why is this happening? This isn't just an ordinary encounter. This is a spiritual moment speaking through your body, unfolded through the timeless wisdom of Paramahansa Yogananda. It's not merely advice, it's a soul-to-soul conversation. If your heart is tender, if you perceive the world deeply, you may be especially vulnerable to energies that weaken your aura, the imperceptible luminous field that surrounds you. Think of your aura like a sacred bubble of light, vibrant and alive when nourished. Yogananda taught that this is your soul's reflection, shaped by your emotions, thoughts, and spiritual clarity. When strong, your presence brings peace, calm, and clarity to others. When depleted, though, you may feel emotionally sucked dry, weighed down by energies that seem to come from nowhere. Many people unintentionally take from your light, not because they intend harm, but because their own vibrational shield is weak. These energy drains can manifest in the form of complaints, emotional outpourings, or negativity disguised as conversation. This can leave you thinking, I didn't do anything wrong. Yet, internally, your energy feels spent. Yogananda reminds us, your energy is the most precious treasure you possess. Protecting it is your spiritual duty, not selfishness, but self-preservation. What depletes your aura? Think of stress, anxiety, unspoken fears, regret, or resentment. These emotions create subtle cracks in your energetic armor. Even if your aura starts at full strength, over time it leaks energy when stained with these vibrations. Imagine your aura as a candle flame. Feed it clarity, and it shines steady. Feed it worry or doubt, and it flickers. Leave the flame neglected and darkness closes in. Here's how you can restore your luminous field, with practices rooted in Yogananda's teachings. 1. Daily moments of solitude and deep breathing. Each morning before screens, before noise, sit in quiet. Close your eyes, breathe slowly, deeply in your belly. Inhale divine grace. Exhale negativity. Let breath be your link to infinite consciousness. Yogananda called it God's own touch. Visualize this breath lighting your aura from within. 2. Soulful affirmation practice. Reclaim your inner radiance through powerful declarations. I am God's luminous child. My aura is indestructible. I am aligned with the universe. Speak them slowly. Let the words echo through your entire being. Then imagine your aura glowing gold until you feel it expand around you. 3. Curate sacred company, satsang. Spend time with people who reflect light, not drain it. Yogananda said, you become like the company you keep. Saying no to circumstances that dim your light isn't rejection, it's spiritual self-care. 4. Nature as spiritual alchemy. Walk barefoot outside. Feel the soil. Breathe deeply under the sky. Let the 5 elements, earth, water, fire, air, and space, revive your aura. Nature holds frequency healing like a cosmic, gentle hug for your soul. 5. Gratitude, the soul's currency. Begin each day with, thank you, God, for this breath, this moment, this gift. Gratitude doesn't just bring peace, it transmutes your aura into a golden beacon. Yogananda said, gratitude opens the door to grace. Note how thoughts shape your world. If you say, I'm weak, I can't, the universe softly replies, so be it. But when you declare, I am infinite, I am divine, the cosmos honors you. Your aura magnetizes circumstances, so tend your inner garden wisely. Even if you feel broken, depleted, or betrayed, remember, your eternal soul never dims. Your aura may feel dimmed, not destroyed. Healing begins when you reconnect to that divine inner spark. Each sunrise, sit quietly. Focus on your heart center. You'll feel a glow. That is your soul's light rising. As you breathe, allow this light to expand. This glow, this inner radiance, cannot be disturbed by words or wounds. May these words spark an awakening within you. Listen deeply. They are not just information, they are the whisper of your soul, guiding you back to your sacred light. If this resonated with you, please share this with someone who needs it and leave a comment. Awaken, ascend, become.